Hi, my name is Rhonda Wheeler. I'm the owner of the Candy Dish Decor. We are here today inside of Jam's Party Store, located at 2855 Dulles Avenue, Missouri City, Texas 77459. We're here to display our new Valentine's Day decor. Look at all those popping chocolate color coded candies that we have today in store today for you to pick up. We have all our candy jars, all the delicious candy that you can seek and buy and pick up today. We have our sweetie jars. And also, if you can just take a glimpse around the store while he has all your party goods, we have every color that you could possibly need for your event decor. Rush over here right away and pick up everything that you need today for your event decor. Once again, we are located at 2855 Dulles Avenue in Missouri City. Look at a wall and wall and wall of event decor. You cannot go wrong. Inside this store, it has everything that you need for all your party and event decor. No need to go anywhere else. It is a one-stop shop. Okay, thank you once again. Until next time, bye-bye.